Hi everyone, welcome to the Vehicle Mundo YouTube channel. In this video, we are taking a tour of Route 65 Sales and Classics in Ham Lake, Minnesota. Let's check out all the classic cars and trucks they have available for sale as of Friday, August 9th, 2024. First vehicle we have up here is a 1969 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. Really nice condition interior. I like the darker wood in the bed. Very nice looking truck. Check out the information on this vehicle. It's a long bed, 90,457 miles, automatic with a 350, and the asking price is $38,990. This is a 1995 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. It says that the sale on this one is pending. Kind of fighting the sun coming in. It's late in the afternoon on Friday. So I'll try to get you front and back of this front row of cars just so you can kind of see the colors a little bit better. Black with tan interior. Even though the sale is pending, I'm still showing you this one just in case this sale falls through. The asking price is $16,990 and 18,000 miles, well 18,705 on the Z28, and it's a 5.7 liter automatic car. Pontiac, Trans Am, pace car, Indianapolis 500, May 28th, 1989. Asking price on this car, not indicated, maybe they're still working that out. So a 1989 Pontiac Firebird, Trans Am, tan interior, automatic. Gold honeycomb wheels. Check out the miles here. It says 44,000 miles, rounding slightly. '59 Edsel Ranger. Asking price on this one is $19,990. Pretty decent looking interior on this one as well. Seats, good condition. Different colors in the weave. There's a little bit of tan, a little bit of red, and a little bit of blue in the seats. And white as well. Now for more information about any of these cars, you can check out the website at route65salesandclassics.com. 1968 Ford Mustang. Asking price on this one is $34,990. Again, a really nice condition interior on this vehicle. Maybe on the seats. Front dash, there's that little split in the dash. I'm assuming that's intentional, right? I don't know. Never owned one of these Mustangs. I'm not an expert in the Ford Mustang generation of vehicles. There's just like a seam there. It's probably intentional by design. If not, make sure to comment below whether you think that that's a crack in the dash or actually is just the way that it is intended to be if you are a Ford Mustang aficionado. I'll bring a closer look to what I was talking about. Right there, I think that's just part of the design. They kind of do the dash in different pieces. So the dash looks great, the interior looks great. Exterior of the car, pretty damn good too. It's a used car. It's not mint shaped, there's a few abrasions here or there. But overall, excellent condition from what I can see. At a quick glance, I like that one a lot. Another Pontiac Trans Am. This one is 1999, selling for $19,990. A lot of room in the seats there. You'd have to put the seats pretty far forward to get a full adult back there, but might be good for some kids. If you're an adult in the back seat on these cars, you need to probably be going for a short ride. And keep in mind, I do not work for Route 65 Sales and Classics. I am just a visitor. I like to periodically check them out and see what kind of cool cars and trucks they have available for sale, and then bring them to you, the YouTube viewer. This is a Chevrolet Corvette. You get the window sticker with it. 1989 Corvette, originally sold for $41,571. Right now it's being offered for $15,990. Very shadowy with the late afternoon sun. That's why I wanted to get through this row as quick as possible, so we're not pointing the camera so much at the sun. All right, got ourselves an Oldsmobile Dynamic 88. Beige cream color. This one, 1964, asking $23,990. I would consider the interior to be in pretty darn excellent condition. Exterior, you have some imperfections here and there. by here and there. You can kind of see here just like little abrasions and chips. This looks to perhaps be a survivor, or if it has been restored, it was probably an awful long time ago. All right, do this Ford Thunderbird next. Those are the cars that are coming up. A few quote-unquote newer vehicles coming up here, trucks, and then we'll get back to the classic cars. So this is a 1959 Ford Thunderbird. Price is $19,990. Says the mileage is 35,767, automatic transmission, 352 engine. Two-tone, light blue, dark blue interior. If you buy this car, you get a second car with it. It's a little Matchbox version of the car. A cool looking interior as well. Overall, pretty good shape. There's a little bit of a tear in the vinyl seat in the back. Maybe some of that cloth trim over there. On the other door is like a little bit worn, but for the age of this vehicle, it is in pretty good condition on the inside. Pretty futuristic, huh? So I'd say on the exterior, there's a few imperfections here or there. Again, pretty good overall shape for the age the vehicle is in. It's only $19,990. 1988 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. Two-tone, kind of a tan, and at least from this angle, looks to be black. $24,990. It's actually bronze and black. And 5.7 liter engine, 245,441 miles. I think is what it says. I don't know if that's a typo. It's like pretty good shape for such a car of such a truck of high mileage. A little bit of anomaly in the door and the driver's door above the handle, perhaps. Looks like maybe the paint had been touched up or sprayed or run a little bit or something of that nature on the door. Overall, though, I would say that the body is in pretty good condition. Show you that one spot that I noticed. I just maybe saw another spot, like just like right in here. You can kind of see the spray, and then right above here, an anomaly in the paint. I thought I saw something on the hood here too, like right in this area. Enough of that. Here we have a Chevrolet pickup truck, 1500 series. This one doesn't have anything on the window and no price indicated, so you'll have to check out their website I'll put a link in the video description to the website, and you can get information about this vehicle in that manner. 1949 Chevrolet Styline. I think this is such a cool looking vehicle. It says 90,130 miles, 350 engine, automatic. A little bit of a project going on with the electrical wiring, it looks like. Pontiac Fiero SE. This is a car as a high schooler that I was kind of obsessed with. I'd always stop at my local Pontiac dealership between my home and school to check out what Fieros they had. This one is a 1984 Fiero, 133,000 miles, 2.5 liter engine. A little bit of wear on the cloth seats. But for a 1984 car, this is in darn good shape, exterior-wise. All right, to 1958 Chevrolet Biscayne, four-door. Check out the information on this one. Looks like the asking price of this one is $21,990. It is listed as 9,540 miles. Well, I don't know what that represents. It probably represents maybe since somebody restored it, perhaps. And then the engine is a 350 automatic. Maybe the mileage could be how many miles are on the engine as well. So contact Route 65 Sales and Classics. They'll give you more information if needed. Looking back at this Fiero, I forgot to mention the price of the Fiero. This one was priced at $6,590. (1961) Ford Galaxy. Asking price $16,900, automatic, 352 engine, indicating 53,545 miles on the vehicle. White gray with kind of a maroon piping or trim. Paint appears to be pretty nice condition. It's a 1934 Ford Phaeton. Has some cool pinstriping. And by pinstriping, it's not vinyl stripes. It looks to be hand done to me. 1934, and says 4,000 miles with a 350 engine. Overall good condition, or excellent really. I didn't see any paint issues that were hugely standing out. You know, I have like maybe somebody had a little rock chip that flew up in a couple spots. So certainly the car is used. It isn't a brand new restoration by any means, but very decent car. '91 Dodge Shadow. Only the shadow knows. Only $6,990. Interiors of cars sure have come a long way since the 80s and 90s. This was a 2.5 liter engine, front wheel drive. Chevrolet Camaro Z28. This one has some paint imperfections throughout. At a glance though, at a distance, seems okay, but it's kind of like bubbling maybe of some kind. This one has mileage of 24,440. Asking price is $27,990. $2,000 Jaguar. XKR 4-liter engine. 61,000-ish miles. cool looking burl wood. Pseudo wood grain, or did Jaguars have real wood? Now you think that the other Firebird had very little room in the back seat. This one's even less. Pricing on this one, oh, can't read that far. $18,990. Alright, for comparison, now we have a second Chevrolet Z28. With T-tops. This is the way to go. We just got in a lot of new cars recently, new used cars of course. So this one does not yet have a year or a price indicated, so you'll have to contact them for more information if you have interest in this vehicle. Overall, I would characterize the paint as being in far better condition than the other Z28. Under the lighting conditions that I have right now anyway. Chevrolet Monte Carlo. This one does have a price in the side passenger seat. It seems to say $18,900. I like the styling of this generation of Monte Carlos. Go take a peek at that window card. I think it said 1987, not positive. Yeah, 1987. This one, the sun took its toll on the dash perhaps. $1951. Victoria. $24,990 for this Ford Victoria 1951. Engine 238, 230. I can't see that far. You can't read it. Maybe you can read it. Now I can read it. 239. Has the glitter. (2006) Ford Mustang Celine. $49,990. Manual transmission, 4.6 liter. Natural light in your roof. A new arrival. (1960) Chevrolet. No price indicated on this vehicle. (1994) Chevrolet Corvette. Automatic. I think it says 17,900. We'll look at that when we get to the other side so we don't have to read upside down. Grossman Chevrolet in Burnsville. I have bought a Corvette from Grossman Chevrolet in Burnsville back in 2005. And then during the 2008 era, Chevrolet shut them down. 17,900 LT1, 300 horsepower. Buick. No price indicated as of yet or year. Landau. Limited. Chevrolet Impala. It says pending sale. And it is an SS Chevrolet Impala. Pontiac Catalina. Must be another new arrival. There's no price indicated or year indicated. So for more information about this vehicle, you can check out the link in the video description to Route 65 Sales and Classics in Ham Lake, Minnesota. Sale pending. A 1927 Packard 6. Manual transmission. Engine is a 289, it says. (1931) Ford. $23,990. Manual transmission. Engine, it says not available. It might be too tight to squeeze through there, maybe if I walk sideways. (1930) Ford. Asking price on this one is $19,990. The engine is a 201 style Tudor, so 1930 Ford Model A. (1930 Model A limousine), it says on the spare wheel cover. Lots of room to carry some passengers with you. Take the entire family, mom and dad in the front seat, grandma, grandpa in the back seat. Kids can face in this other seat towards the grandma and grandpa. All head to the car show together. No price indicated on this vehicle. Another Chevrolet C10 pickup. No year indicated. On these vehicles that I have failed to indicate the year and price on, if I see them on the website at the time of video editing, I will certainly place that information. If they are not priced on the website, then you'll need to contact Route 65 Sales and Classics. 1978 MG. $8,990. Indicates 47,242 miles and engine is 1.5. Little Triumph. No year indicated on this one. All right, let's take a walk here and see if they have anything in the back area to check out. They have a couple trucks outside that we can check out as well. Once again, I will mention that I am not an employee of Route 65 Sales and Classics. I am not responsible for pricing. So if you want information about the prices or want to see if lower prices will be accepted, make sure to contact them directly. Got a sold Chevy, 1955. Black Continental. Doesn't look like any of these have the year or price or information on them. Pontiac GTO. Land O'Lakes GTO sticker on it. Little black hot rod. Corvette engine. Ford. I don't think you would ever see two of these at the same car show, right? Highly unlikely. Enough room back there to get a large-sized dog standing up or can lay down either way. Carry some supplies maybe. Chevrolet Nova. A lot of sound. Although it would be a tough choice out of the cars back here, I probably myself like the style of the Nova, although probably my first pick would be the GTO. Then maybe the Nova. The Nova does have some like paint issue on the hood that I saw there when we were walking by. Chevrolet Camaro. Convertible version. All right, so I think we've covered all of the cars inside. Just got a couple cool vehicles outside that we need to get to. Definitely, I think my pick for back here would be the GTO. I would want that. I think maybe this one might actually be number 2. I'm ruling out the 55 Chevy since it says that it's already sold, so it's not a possibility of a car that I could have, right? Take a quick walk outside. This is also a great place for car shows, so if you're in the Minneapolis area and looking for a facility to host a car show, check them out. They host a variety of car shows throughout the course of the year. And they can host your car show as well. Great Northern Railway, Ford 49 F7. Get it shut properly. And lastly, we have this 1948 Ford F5 series. Check to see if this one's unlocked. Check out the interior. Oh, no such luck. This one is locked up. Check the driver's door, see if it's locked as well. Ah, lucky. Not so much a locking situation, like the door handle just doesn't work perhaps. So if you're looking to host a car show here, you have this entire lot here. And that entire lot over there. And Route 65 Classics is right on Highway 65 in Ham Lake, Minnesota. So you have a lot of traffic driving by that will see the car show. You'll get people driving by and then turning around to come back and attend to the show. For more information about any of the vehicles you saw, updated pricing and availability, check out www.route65classics.com or call 763-999-1098. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give the video a thumbs up. And consider subscribing to this YouTube channel if you've not done so previously. And if you purchase a car or call or visit Route 65 Classics in Ham Lake, Minnesota, make sure that you tell them that you heard about them on the Vehicle Mundo YouTube channel. I hope you have a great day. Please consider watching some of these videos that will be recommended at the end of this video.